Our next update comes from the 100-meter for women. And we have our very own Olympic finalist here, Clayton. Just to note, we have 14 Jamaicans representing today at Zurich Diamond League. Now, you may or may not know that Tia Clayton, she claimed her first victory, Diamond League victory, not last Sunday, but on August the 25th, with a win aided 10.83, and she got the first place at the Diamond League in Poland on August 25th. So let's see how she performed today. Now to note, we have the Olympic champion, Alfred, Julien Alfred. In that one, in 10.88, she got second place actually in this race, and she is running for the first time since the Olympics. We also have Sha'carri, Richardson, who I think is running the first time since Olympics. She got 10.84. So actually Tia Clayton, she got sixth place in 11.09. We're putting up the visuals so that you can see. Richardson took the win, this win, in 10.84. Then Alfred got second in 10.88. Then Asha Smith third in 10.89. And Talu Smith, fourth place in 10.93. Now we would love to see Talu win. I mean, she has it, right? But when it comes to the competition, she's not getting the first place. So hopefully we'll see Talu claiming some of that before she retires. So that's it for the update. Our very own Olympic finalist, Tia, she came sixth place in 11.09. Let's give it up for her though. It's been quite a season for her. All right, so we'll keep you updated. We have more coming your way. So talk pretty soon.